my channel. Today I'm back with another video, and on today's video I will be talking to you guys about why we need to all have side hustles and 10 side hustles you can start at home and get that coin. Anyway guys, let's get to the video. Okay, so I'll start by defining what I understand by side hustle. So a side hustle is something that you do outside of your work. So it's something that you do to supplement your money. It's something that it's not a full-time job. It's something that you do outside of your 9-to-5 job, something that can bring you extra money. So we all have different reasons of why we have side hustles. You can start your side hustle to supplement your income, to get extra cash, to save up more, to invest that money. We all have different reasons of why we do side hustles. My side hustle, I have a few actually. YouTube is one of them, but my other side hustle is selling. The reason why I started selling is to build up my investments. To build up my savings. I want to save more, and some of it I invest into my investments, and the others I want to buy some stuff. Sometimes, guys, guilt will have you by the throat. Just go out and have fun time with friends, and I feel so guilty doing that with my own money. I know the money from the side hustle is still mine, but I feel much better knowing that I'm not doing it with my income, with my salary. I'm doing it with the money that comes from my side hustle. So for me, it's also using that money to, go out and do the things that I would usually or normally feel guilty doing with my own income. And lastly, I do it just to help family and just, God to myself, just help with family when they need something. I'm like, okay, it's cool. I can just take from my side hustle and give them whatever. And also, there's those times of the month where it ain't that great. It's not cute. So, you can just always have your side hustle, because what's nice about a side hustle is it's passive money. So you're not actually working at that time to get the money. So you'll just be chilling at work. Sometimes I'll just be at work doing my work, and I just get a bank notification. You look and hey, guess what? Money in from maybe someone you sold something or whatever you're doing. So it's just money that comes passively, and you'll just be sitting or just sleeping. You wake up to all these bank notifications and you're just like, wow, am I not a happy girl? I'm joking, guys. So anyways, I'll now dive onto the reasons why you need to start a side hustle. So the first reason, guys, that you need a side hustle is because a side hustle helps you actually to reach your goals and stay focused. So you know that if you take a side hustle, whether it be selling, whether it be doing YouTube, whether it be, it depends on whatever side hustle you're good at, I'll give you at the end. But whatever side hustle you do, I actually find that for me, it actually keeps me focused. It keeps me going because I have a reason attached to it. So I have a goal attached to it. I know why I'm doing it. So it helps me to go for that goal and to actually, just not just about the money. Yes, the money comes, but it actually has a goal attached to it. So why I'm doing it actually helps me go for that goal and actually reach it. So number one, a side hustle will help you to reach your goals faster and to stay focused. Number two, a side hustle will help you develop other skills. For example, handling money, because you're obviously going to be getting money from your side hustle, and you're not just going to misuse that money because you've worked hard for it. So it's going to help you manage your money. It's going to help you with improving certain skills. Like, for example, now I'm doing YouTube, which is a side hustle, but it's actually helping me with other skills like being confident in front of the camera, talking to people, approaching people, and all of that. So it helps me build other skills outside of money that are very crucial, like public speaking, talking to people, being confident, in front of the camera, and all that type of stuff, which are skills that I'm building using my side hustle. So another reason that I said you should get a side hustle, reason number three, is side hustles can help you achieve things you never thought you could. What I mean by that is that you get a sense of satisfaction. So for example, you write a goal down, you're like, okay, by the end of the week or by the end of the month, I must have gotten however amount you think you'll be able to handle. And when you actually achieve that, it actually shows you that you actually, I'm capable of doing this. And therefore you then, adjust your goals, change your goals, and you put more goals in place that are going to help you, reach whatever goal or plan you have in mind. So side hustles can help you achieve things you never thought you could. I never thought I'd ever be doing YouTube ever. Like, I did want to do it, but I was so scared. I was so shy. I'm like, oh my God, not gonna do it. Coming to money as well, I never thought I'm not that great, but like I never thought I would know all that I know right now about money, because it's actually encouraged me, because I have to handle money, I have to save some of it, invest some of it. It's actually encouraged me to read more and educate myself about finances so that I can do, better decisions, so I can learn through other people's mistakes and hopefully make better decisions that will not leave me regretting anything. But at number 4, I said, this is number 4 or 5, I said side hustles can help you to side hustles can provide you with a chance of trying something to see if you might like it. What I mean by that, they provide you with a chance just to, you don't have to buy into something, you can just try it out. So side hustles offer you this opportunity. For example, like now it opened for me, the selling, so many opportunities, guys, I never thought I would ever delve into, things I never thought about. I'm even thinking of maybe doing a short course, and then from there I'll see, like in finance or like in personal finance and management, something just to increase my knowledge around money and personal finance, because that's what I'm interested in and hopefully want to share with you guys. So with this said, side hustles give you that option to just look into things, to just try things out. You're not bound to anything. You can start selling, and when you feel like, oh, I don't want to continue with this, I don't want to do this anymore, you simply stop. There's no strings attached. You're not bound to anything. So side hustles give you a chance to actually try things and see if you might like it, and depending if you like it or not, you can continue with it or you can stop. So you're not bound to anything. You can go around tasting different things and just trying out different things. So it actually opens up to you doors of, like, lots of experiences and lots of variety of things that you can try. And now we will get into the 10 side hustles that you need to try. So the first side hustle that you have to try is buying and selling. Guys, I cannot tell you how much money there is in buying and selling stuff. Guys, all these rich people, business people will tell you they started with selling. Guys, do not sleep on selling. It's a thing. You will go far with it. Like, get serious. Buy stuff at the thrift store, or be part of a company, Herbalife, New Skin, whatever. Be a brand affiliate. Just sell, guys. Don't sleep on that. Selling has lots of money. Actually, which reminds me to one of the guys. What's his name? That guy from Istanbul. The guy with lots of wives and whatever. I forgot his name now. But he, on one of the videos I saw on YouTube, that said, he actually said he made his first million just by selling food at a taxi rank, guys. You heard it right, guys. You heard me correctly. He made his first million selling food at a taxi rank. Do not sleep on selling, guys. Also, Vusi Tembegwayo also speaks on this about selling, and all. Go listen to his videos, guys. I'm not going to delve any deeper into it because it's going to make the video very long, but definitely give buying and selling a go, because it's really, really great, guys. I've been selling also, and this month I've made the biggest income, like, of selling that I've made in, like, I've only been selling for 2 months, going on 3 now, and I'm so happy with myself this month. With some of the money that I made from the selling, I actually bought myself a coffee table, yay, and I saved some of it, invested some of it. So guys, don't sleep on selling. It's a big one. At number 2, I said tutor. So if you're good at maths, you're good at physics, you're good at whatever subject, accounting, biology, put those skills into shmoney. Convert those skills to money. Somebody needs tutoring out there. Go an app, get these app, design, make yourself a business card or something, and actually, market yourself on Facebook. There's different companies. I know a guy, or all these different companies, and put your business card out there. Or just advertise yourself using your social network, your Facebook, your whatever, WhatsApp, and say, hey, I actually tutor or whatever, and you know, you never know who might just want your help. At number 3, I said teach English online. Yes, guys, it's a thing. I have a few friends who actually do it. Teach English online. I'm not going to go into too deep about it because I don't actually do it, but I wanted to in varsity just to get extra money, but it did not happen. But anyway, teach English online and get that money. At number 4, I said be a freelance writer. There's apps like Fiverr that actually helps to do this. So you write, and if you're good at writing, you're good at reading and all of that, proofreading and all that type of stuff, go for it. Be a freelance writer and get you some coins. At number 5, I said transcribe. So we have a few of these apps like Go Transcript, Rev, and Tigerfish that actually offer these services. So people, for example, in meetings these days, all they do is they put a recorder out there, they record their meetings instead of having someone sit down and write all the minutes down or interview or whatever. And then they'll send these to these transcribing companies, and then you then would listen to the audio, and then you transcribe whatever is said, like word for word and stuff like that. So yeah, give that a try. Also, it's a way to make money, and I mean, it's all online, you don't have to go anywhere. At number 6, I said affiliate marketing, guys. So with affiliate marketing is you can use what is it Amazon, I think, yeah, Amazon or something. But basically what happens is you get paid if someone uses your link. So you advertise whatever product or whatever you've used, and you put a link on it, and then if someone clicks on that link and they actually go buy Amazon or whatever the business or the company is, but using your link, you actually get a certain percentage of that product. So they'll pay you because the person used your affiliate link to buy whatever the product is from the company. At number 7, guys, I said use any skill you have into business. So this could be doing hair, nails, sewing, cleaning, doing laundry, cooking, organizing, any skill you have. If you're good at organizing, if you're good at making things, use that skill to make money. Do laundry, cook, sell, you know. Guys, do not sleep on yourselves, because I promise each person has a skill that they can put into use and get money from it. At number 8, I said make crafts. I know lots of people out there who are creative. Make whatever, like use your creativity to, you know, I know it can be therapeutic for some. Use your creativity to pour out, you know, your inner soul and thoughts and heart into it, and therapeutic. But at the end of the day, also use it to get money, because we all need money. At number 9, guys, I said Uber. If you have a car, be an Uber partner and actually use your car to Uber. Like, it's not that deep, it's not that serious. Like, just use your car make you more money. I know it's gonna need you to drive, because I don't know if you can trust someone in your own car, but do that. You can do it on weekends, you can do it after work or whatever if you're working full-time. But if you're not, use your car to Uber. That is another form of income. Also on that, I hadn't written it down, but it just came to mind right now. Airbnb. So you register, I think, with a company. I haven't tried it out, but I would, because I will try anything. So you register your house, your apartment, whatever, and you rent it out. So you know Airbnb is the most famous, whatever, but they have no apartments, they have no building. So what you do is they use people's houses. You sign up and you rent out your house for like people on holiday or whatever. They stay in your house and you get paid for that. And then after a certain amount of days or whatever, then they leave you back in your house, you know. So if you're not going to be around, might as well, rent it out. So then you're making money while, you're not in the house, while you're not using it. I don't know if that makes sense. So check that one out if you feel like you would be comfortable with renting your house out and making some extra money. Anyway, guys, at number 11, I think now, is have a YouTube channel. Come on, guys. This is another form of income. Of course, I'm not paid yet, but it will come one of these days. So start your own YouTube channel. You never know, people will support you out here, strangers will support you, people you know, and it can be a great form of income, guys. We are working towards 7 streams of income. You can't just depend on one salary. Anyway, guys, that last one that I wrote down was at number 12 or 13, not too sure, is be a brand ambassador. So teach people about a specific product or service of a company, be a brand ambassador. These pay great, especially for varsity students, or even if you're not, if you feel like you want to do this, you know, jump on in and try it out. So then there's events companies or whatever, and you get to then teach people about the product or about the service of that company, and you know, then they'll pay you based on that. Anyway guys, those are the side hustles that you can start in 2020 and beyond, I hope. Anyway guys, I hope you really enjoyed the video. Please give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, and anything else you have questions on, and I will be sure to answer. Thank you for watching. Share and subscribe. See you guys on the next video. Bye.